Good morning. Happy Friday. This is Marcel. Here comes the Amtrak Capital Corridor train 528 headed to Sacramento. On 98th Avenue right now. Looks like this train is either going straight on the track or he's diverted over. All right, a cat car is leading this one off. That sounds like, okay, cat car, lead it off. 8309, the Marcel train. 2123. The Marcel train struck again. Well, anyways, there go that train northbound to Sacramento. 529 is coming right now, later on. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. All right, folks, we are back on 98th Avenue on the Marcel Hall channel. Here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 529. Final destination of that train is San Jose Dierdon Station. Here she comes now. And that 59 PHI leading this one off on the 529. That sounds like 2012 again, lead it off. F59 PHI 2012. with 8308 downtown Gardonia. And there go that train, ladies and gentlemen. That train is on its way to San Jose. All right, folks, happy Friday. This is Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.